They say a lion might grow old, but the mere sound of his roar still makes the entire jungle tremble. Today, we aren't just talking about any phone, we're talking about the legend that once ruled the mobile world. That's right, Nokia is back. Imagine the classic Nokia reliability you grew up with, but fused with the absolute beast mode features of 2026. Stop imagining, because the legend is officially returning with a massive weapon in its arsenal. It's time to say goodbye to those basic dual or triple camera setups, because Nokia is dropping a 5-camera bombshell that's going to change everything, the Nokia N75 5G. We're talking a 300 megapixel DSLR-level camera, a 9500 mAh monster battery, and flagship killing specs that will keep Apple and Samsung CEOs awake at night. Can Nokia actually reclaim its lost crown? Let's dive into the full story of this incredible smartphone. If you've got that Nokia nostalgia running through your veins, smash that like button right now and subscribe to the channel. This video is about to take over your heart and your tech wishlist. Display. First, let's talk about the thing you'll be staring at all day, the screen. The Nokia N75 5G features a stunning 6.82-inch QHD Plus Super AMOLED display. But here's the kicker, it comes with a 144Hz refresh rate. That means scrolling through your feed will feel like sliding your finger over silk, it is incredibly smooth. And you can finally forget the struggle of not being able to see your phone in the sun. With a peak brightness of 4500 nits, your content will stay crystal clear even under the harshest glare. Plus, because it's a Nokia, durability is in its DNA. The screen is protected by a Gorilla Glass 7 armor, giving you the confidence to use this phone without a bulky case. Camera setup. Now, let's look at the heavy artillery. Flip the phone over, and you'll see the penta-camera setup, that's 5 high-performance lenses working in perfect harmony. The star of the show, a massive 300 megapixel primary sensor. Yes, 300, the level of detail is so insane, that you can finally leave your bulky DSLR at home. Even when you zoom in deep, the image stays razor sharp with zero grain. But it doesn't stop there. You also get a 50 megapixel telephoto lens for incredible zoom, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide for those epic group shots, a 24 megapixel wide lens, and an 8 megapixel macro lens for capturing the tiniest details. And for the selfie lovers, the front features a 50 megapixel camera, that's going to make your TikToks and Reels go viral instantly. This setup doesn't just compete with the iPhone or Samsung flagships, it makes them look outdated. Performance. To drive those cameras and that massive screen, you need a heart of gold. Nokia didn't hold back, packing in the most powerful mobile processor on the planet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. Whether you're editing 4K video on the fly or grinding on high graphics games, this phone won't even break a sweat. It's built for extreme multitasking. Plus, it'll ship with the latest Android 16, offering a clean, lightning-fast experience with zero bloatware. Battery backup. What's the point of all this power if the phone dies by noon? Nokia solves that with a 9500 mAh jumbo battery. We're talking over 2 full days of heavy use on a single charge. And when you finally do run low, the 100-watt fast charger included in the box will juice you from 0 to 100 in just minutes. No more being tethered to a wall outlet for hours. Price and launch date. So, the million-dollar question, how much is this beast going to cost you? Expert leaks suggest a price point of around $800 here in the USA. Think about that, a 300 megapixel camera, 144Hz display, a 9500 mAh battery, and the latest Snapdragon chip. All for $800? If that holds true, Nokia isn't just back, they're ready to dominate. As for the release date, word on the street is that this powerhouse will hit the shelves by the end of 2026, just in time for the holiday season. It's the ultimate gift for anyone tired of the same old smartphone routine. So, what do you think? Is the Nokia N75 5G enough to make you ditch your current phone and return to the legend? Let me know in the comments below.